Welcome back to my channel. In this preview video you will see some of the most delicious, healthiest, yummiest kids snacks, milky flavored popsicle. In our full video you will get all the names of the different flavors. Please like this video, and if you are new here, please to subscribe and touch that notification bell for more uploads. Please comment on this video and drop some likes and share this video out. Thank you so much for your kind support. To all my supporters, more blessings to you guys. Thanks a lot for always supporting. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Put God first in everything that you are doing. Walk good, be good, do good, and indeed good will always follow you. Thank you so much for choosing Carly's Kitchen CC. Catch you in the full video. Take care of yourselves. Bye.